Well, we're out here again at Gasconade Game Birds in Montreal, Missouri. We did this same hunt last year, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and that's what it is right now. So we don't have the same group, but Jay and Kyle and them guys are on their way out.
Yeah, if he says whoa, he's talking to his dog.
I'm talking to my dog.
Cool.
I had some guy last time, I said, whoa, boy, he stopped. I said, no, go at you.
Look at this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, wait till you see my new bow.
I've seen the pictures.
Oh, it's sick. And you know how my old bow was like a boat anchor?
Yeah.
This thing is 2.7 pounds lighter.
Yeah.
Was one or two on this side, one kicked it up, one on that. And he started to move the brush.
Oh! Oh, hold up. There he goes.
I was in a bad way.
Hey, he felt that one.
Yeah, he felt
I don't know if he felt it at all.
You know the last thing went through his mind? His ass.
That's right.
I'm back. Bang. There you go, buddy.
You just happy.
Here.
Whoa.
Okay, drop.
He's ready.
Right there.
Whoa.
Nope. Right
there.
Jay.
Kevin flew every single shot. I think Corby just shot a cork.
I did. He's falling out of the air. I was already squeezed.
Try hard to find a crayon around the wrong group of guys. They just keep eating. Yeah, this is where we jumped up right here. Get it, Rock. Got him. Nice.
Yeah, bird.
Well, several flew off.
I think we've got some ammo.
Alright. I don't know. He's hurt.
Ow, whoa!
Now.
Dead. I want you to take full shot. I like you too much.
I was guarded down. I was waiting.
Well, I remembered it. I heard the woes. He said, woes for the dog.
For the dog. Whoa. He's getting ready to go. Whoa. Whoa. You guys ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Right in front of you. Oh! Good shot, Kyle. He went right over you. Corey had to go.
Yeah, I see him.
You want him to?
Corp, get ready. I'm gonna try to push him out in front of this tree.
Let me try to get a hold of him.
Yeah, he's 3 foot from him, five maybe.
Jay, he looks like
He's facing me.
he did exactly what you said. He's covered in leaves. He's gonna come right to you guys. Here he comes. Oh, get him!
Good job.
He'll roll.
Yeah.
Good boy, Santa.
I took a shot. I'm pretty sure I missed. I was just throwing up a prayer. Couple birds. What are we on?
It's thick. Oh! Headless. Kyle smoked that thing.